beat the muse to my passion. I just match my words to my actions. Magic in my life's everlasting. I say I could have the world, don't be what let it go. But something about your style makes me wanna man up. We should fill our cups, catch a flick and do some stuff. I'm used to one night stands, but with you that's not enough. I don't wanna front, I just wanna see ya. Please give me a sign, yeah. Please give me a sign if you wanna come. Please give me a sign, yeah. I don't wanna front, I just wanna see you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a break from my usual wig protective style and we are installing Passion Twist. I'm really hyped because I love when my hair is twisted, and y'all, Janet Collection has some new. These are the Mamba Passion Twists and they are a natural texture. I love this texture. They're also in a really good length. They're in length 18, but what I later found out is that they also offer them in length 24, and I got it in color 1B. Now, I originally started this install by myself, but then I kind of had some issues trying to do it, and you guys will see in a moment that this method is rather simple, but it seems to be easier when you're doing it on someone else's head. So I just showed you all the products that I put in my hair to moisturize it prior to my stylist installing, and this is Jennifer. She has a website and everything. I'll link all her information down in the description box. She's amazing and she's super fast, and she came up with this really cool idea that's going to make it easier for doing this individual crochet passion twist install. So she started by braiding maybe about an inch or two, and then the rest of my hair she twisted. And I was like, oh my goodness, you are the bomb, Jennifer. If y'all have type 4 natural hair like me, y'all know the struggle be real with tangling. So small individual plaits or braids rather, those can be so taxing on my hair. And I feel like when I'm taking them down, I am causing so much breakage. So when she did this method of only plaiting like an inch or so and then twisting, I was like, you are my friend. Like, you get the struggle because it's so much faster. So number one, when I take this style down, it's gonna be so quick and easy to remove these, to take it down, and my hair won't take a hit because I did all these little small 3-strand braids, which have the potential to cause breakage, because I know that was my experience in the past. And I do want to mention that I do have another video on my channel where Jennifer installed Passion Twist maybe about a year ago during the summer. I believe it was my anniversary vacation. During that time, we did use cornrows, and that's a really good method as well. And it looked as though those were individual, but this method I wanted to do this time because I wanted to try something new and not have cornrows, because y'all know I told y'all I'm tender-headed. So I really didn't want to have to deal with cornrows. I felt like this one is not only quick and easy, but this one is also going to be a method that doesn't cause as much tension. And I'm all about that. So she's just proceeding to do this. Another thing that was a challenge for me was the parting. I couldn't part it myself because I have type 4 hair and I didn't want to blow my hair out and all that, y'all. Parting my hair in the back is rather difficult. Some girls do it and I'm like, man, they are amazing. But your girl isn't there yet. So now that my hair is all twisted, this is what it looks like. Keep in mind that I did ask Jennifer not to twist my hair really tight. I wanted it rather loose because that's the look I was going for, and I also don't want to be in pain. If you want yours tighter, feel free to do it tighter, but that's not what I desired. So now it's time to install the Passion Twist. This is what they look like up close. Guys, look at the texture. Janet Collection did such a good job on these. They have the curly ends and this texture. Listen, I love me some good Marley twists, and the fact that these already come with the texture of those is amazing. They already have the little pre-loop, and the loop is not too small. You can fit your finger inside of it. The way that these Passion Twists are constructed will make it so much easier for you to install them in no time. I believe this install took about 4 or 5 hours, but that's because we were recording. It generally only takes Jennifer about 3 hours to install these. The longest part of the process is truly just twisting up your hair, so keep that in mind. Once you've actually twisted your hair, installing the crochet passion twist is so easy. So I'm gonna let you all watch for a bit, and then I'm gonna come back on and explain it once we've actually slowed down the process.
faded. My heart got me going all crazy, and I won't be walking away. Yeah, like New York in the sunshine. I'm a fool, yeah. I got my love blind, and ooh, yeah. Got my heart out, and it's covered in gold. Like moonlight over Hollywood, and it's cool, yeah. 'Cause you know it's good, oh baby. We'll never get old. You got it going on, I'll be there in a heartbeat. Tell me your favorite song, I'll put it on repeat. I could wait for you forever, through the storms or any weather. Yeah, you're like New York in the sunshine. I'm a fool, yeah. I got my love blind, and ooh, yeah. Got my heart out, and it's covered in gold. Like moonlight over Hollywood, and it's cool, yeah. 'Cause you know it's good, oh baby. We'll never get old. Down in Cali, driving round with my baby. Top drops and raindrops, motion got me all faded. My heart got me going on.
Alright, now let's slow it down a bit. After inserting the crochet needle under my twisted natural hair, you will need to attach the passion twist loop to the hook of the needle, close the needle, and pull the passion twist under the twisted natural hair. Release the needle, put 2 fingers through the loop, grab both the passion twist and your twisted hair, bringing them through the loop, and you'll be left with 2 twists. Now the next thing we need to do is conceal my natural hair. So you will insert the crochet needle into the passion twist. The idea is to tuck your entire twist under the passion twist. So you will gradually go up the hollow part of the twist, starting by finding a good midway point and then winding the crochet needle all the way up to the center opening of the twist, attaching your natural hair, and then you're going to pull it through the passion twist, enclosing it inside. You will continue this process until the entire natural twist is concealed. Now, this is the part of the process that can be a little challenging for me, and you all let me know if individual crochet braids or crochet twists or faux locks, if those are challenging for you all using this particular method. I'm not the only one that has difficulty, I know. It's actually quite simple in theory, but actually doing it yourself, I don't know. I have a hard time getting my hair through the actual twisted or the locked hair. Jennifer actually was giving me a mini tutorial, but I was still kind of stumped. Mine weren't as perfect as hers. She actually had to do this one over just to perfect it and make it look better. But yeah, I tried, y'all. It was better, but we still got to practice a little more.
Lady, come here, let me tell you something. Lately I've been wondering if you could be mine forever. See, you was like God, he must be up to something. Know you tired of running, let's just stay here together. I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You don't even open up, so your heart can't get crushed. You've been let down so many times, you wonder if you need to get up. You done been through too much, but I ain't tryna mess this up. Hey, let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, yeah. You just need your vacation.
Y'all, these turned out so well. They look amazing. I absolutely love them. And I love that the Janet collection is now creating textures that are for us natural hair girls, especially those like me who have more of a kinkier texture. These twists mimic my hair so beautifully. I love the length. I love the structure of these twists. They're so effortless and just beautiful. Be sure to leave a comment down in the comment section letting me know if you like this individual crochet passion twist method. Also, let me know what you all think about these beautiful passion twists in general. The link and all the specifications for these will be down in the description box. I look forward to your comments and feedback. I cannot wait to see you all in my next video. Like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Insta. See you all in my next video. Bye guys.
You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. People say forever is a mighty long time. I don't know. I ain't really tripping if it mean that I'm holding you close to me. Baby girl, you all I need. Your smile is everything. Come and be my company. You need to take off for work. We can road trip in the A. We can take a dip by the bay. Hop on a plane, go to Spain. No matter the place, girl, you melt my heart like Pompeii. Ay, I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You done been through too much, so I ain't tryna mess this up. No, let's get away.